Today we are back at Hickory Bluffs in Canton. I am with Tim from Lennar. It is so great to see you. It's been a few months since I've been here, so what's been going on?
Well, you know, we're just busy, selling a lot to sell. So,
well, talk to me about availability, because it's a big question for our home buyers these days.
Well, we're blessed to have it. So we've got roughly 60 homes that we can sell like right away. So we've got 5 plans, 1-level plans, and yeah, we can offer them.
Okay, well today we're here in your model home. It is so beautiful. Tell me a little bit about some of the things in this model. And with Lennar, you guys have the everything included. So what exactly does that mean?
And that's really cool too, because when you come to our community, you kind of walk through the model and you're like, wow, okay, so tell me all the upgrades. Well, guess what? They're all included. We have great upgrades like gourmet kitchens, that's included. This luxury vinyl planking, that's included. Granite countertops or quartz countertops in the kitchen or master bath, that's included. Upgraded cabinets throughout the home, that's included. And we have stainless steel appliances, that's included. Each home is built with the homebuyer's comfort and needs in mind. That's why we're proud to offer the benefits of natural gas in these homes. Natural gas is clean, safe, reliable, affordable, and efficient. We include natural gas furnaces, fireplaces, and cooktops because no matter the season or the weather, every family deserves energy they can depend on at a cost they can afford.
Another great thing about this neighborhood is the amenities. They're amazing. So what can you tell us about them?
Yeah, they really are amazing. And it's driving people here with an active lifestyle. We have pickleball, we have tennis, we have a huge clubhouse and pool with tons to do. It's really great.
Well, there is so much to see here at Hickory Bluffs. So if someone wants to come out and take a tour and learn more, what's the best way to do that?
Well, first of all, they can just go to our website, lennar.com, or they can call 404-931-7462 and make an appointment with one of our internet sales ladies and come and tour our model homes here at Hickory Bluffs.
Well, Tim, it was great to see you again. Thanks so much for being here today. And to learn more about natural gas or natural gas products, you can go to atlantagaslight.com. And remember, nothing says welcome home like the comfort of natural gas.